experiencing random reboots on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? You're not alone. This issue, often linked to iOS 26, app incompatibilities, or the A18 Bionic chip's neural engine, can usually be resolved. First, check your crash logs. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Analytics and Improvements, Analytics Data, and look for recent crash logs. These logs provide clues about the cause of the reboots, such as memory leaks or app-related issues. Next, focus on app management. Incompatible or buggy apps are a common culprit. Ensure all your apps are up to date via the App Store. If problems persist, try offloading unused apps to free up resources. Pay special attention to newly installed or recently updated apps, as they are often the source of the problem. Consider deleting any app suspected of instability. Lastly, ensure that your iPhone 17 is running the latest version of iOS 26 to take advantage of bug fixes and stability enhancements. If basic troubleshooting fails, try resetting all settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, then Reset all settings. This restores system settings without erasing your data. For severe cases, perform a DFU restore. This wipes all data, so back up to iCloud first. Enter recovery mode, then restore firmware. iOS 26 includes AI-driven diagnostics that automatically analyze crash logs and suggest fixes, like updating or removing problematic apps. Future iOS 27 will use machine learning to proactively prevent reboots, blocking issues before they occur. Regularly check battery health and settings, battery health and charging. Monitor capacity and cycle count. Avoid jailbreaking, as it compromises system stability and can cause reboots. If problems persist, it may be hardware-related, such as thermal management in the titanium casing or faulty capacitors in the A18 chip. Seek professional repair.